Hi friends, this is my second video for NEET PG exam revision questions. This also contains MCQs of forensic medicine and toxicology. So, come let's learn. First, preauricular sulcus is a part of, and the answer is pelvis. Just read explanation by yourself for understanding. Second, what is the upper permissible limit of alcohol allowed while driving in India? So the answer is 30 mg percentage. It's covered under Section 185 Motor Vehicle Act 1988. So next question, what is the level of alcohol in blood beyond which person is considered intoxicated? And the answer is 140 mg percentage. Next question. The pathways followed by corrosive acids in stomach is called. Options are given below. And the answer is Magenstrace. Just read the explanation by yourself for clear understanding. Next question. Chocolate brown postmortem staining is seen in what poisoning? The answer is potassium chloride poisoning. Next question. What of the following is seen in freshwater drowning? And the answer is hyperkalemia. Next, what is the proof of eyes being opened for few hours after death? And the answer is tachypnea. Just read the explanation by yourself for clear understanding. Next, majority is obtained by a person under court guardianship by age of. And the answer is 21 years. It's been given under Indian Majority Act 1875. Next, which method is not used for autopsy? And the answer is Thomas. So, next question. According to Juvenile Justice Act, the age of juvenile is? The answer is the juvenile age should be less than 18 years. And the Juvenile Justice Act been implemented in 2000. Next, following is not true about adipose formation. We know earlier that for adipose formation, the criteria needed is there must be excess moisture and warm temperature, but in the absence of air. So, the answer is it is developed in presence of air is the answer. Next, legal age by which fetus is capable of independent existence is. And the answer is 210 days. So, next question. Troziosign positive in which poisoning? And the answer is oxalic acid. Both troziosign and chostaxine are seen in hypocalcemia. And the hypocalcemia is being a symptom of oxalic acid poisoning. Next question. Tactile hallucination seen in abuse with? And the answer is cocaine. Tactile hallucination means feeling of bugs crawling under the skin. So next question, countercoup injury seen in when? Options are as below. And the answer is moving head is suddenly decelerated. So next question, most common fingerprint type is? And the options are loops, holes, composite, arches. Answer is loops. Next question, back of 10 to 14 years old contributes how much percentage to total body surface area? And the answer is 16%. So the next question, exception to the rule of professional secrecy is allowed under following circumstances except. Options are as follows. And the answer is in interest of relatives. So doctor can accept the rule of professional secrecy only in interest of relatives. So next question, pupil dilatation is seen in poisoning with. The answer is all the above. So poisoning of the following is associated with dilated pupils. And the poisoning list is given below. Just read one by one yourself. Next, tattooing in whole decomposed body can be visualized by use of all except. The answer is gamma rays. And the next question, black gunpowder composition. So the black gunpowder consists of charcoal 15%, potassium nitrate 75%, plus sulfur 10%. It's a classical gunpowder. So next question, bone pearl appearance is seen in. Options are as follows. And the answer is electrical burns. So next question, mummification is enhanced by. The answer is dry and hot air. Next, hyoid bone fracture most common occurs in. So the answer is manual strangulation. So next question, according to Federation Dental, lower left canine is designated as, and the answer is 33. So next, judge can ask clarifying questions when. Answer is at any time he wishes. So next question, grievous hurt comes under which section of IPC? And the answer is section 320. So the following kind of hurts only are designated as grievous hurt. Just read by yourself. So next question, 4 corporal bones are present at what age? And the answer is 4 years. Next, grievous hurt comes under section, and the answer is IPC section 320. And the next, Magnan's phenomenon occurs in addiction of, and the answer is cocaine. Next, last to putrefy in male is, and the answer is prostate. Fatal dose of potassium cyanide is, the answer is 280 to 300 mg. Normally, fatal dose of hydrocyanic acid in pure form is 50 to 60 mg. So when added with sodium or potassium, it's increased. So next, rule of Hasse is used to calculate, and the answer is age of fetus. Just read the explanation by yourself for understanding better. Next, which of the following is not a sexual offense in India? So the answer is incest, which means sexual intercourse by man with a woman who is closely related to him by blood. These cases usually have psychological features. Next, IPC 319 deals with. Options are as below, and the answer is definition of hurt. Next, doctor who did surgery on wrong side of the patient is punishable under section. So, if doctor done surgery wrongly on opposite side, then he have to be punished, right? So it's been given in section IPC section 304A. Just read the explanation. Next, postmortem blood is collected from which vessel? So the blood for postmortem will be collected from femoral vein. So next, when group of muscles of dead body were in state of strong contraction immediately prior to death and remain so even after death, this is termed as, the answer is cadaveric spasm.